Hello and welcome back to another episode of Robo Instructus. Where do we leave off? Well, yeah, right here at the question mark, of course. We have another message recovered. As you all know, robot scanning reliability is getting worse. The folks below think it could be environmental, something in the air perhaps. Regardless, we must continue our work. If the dock can fix the scanners, we'll return to salvaging the upper levers, but for now, let's focus on sections 0 to 14, where the bots can still move fairly well. We've set up some data stores to help identify solid ground when RoboScan has gone too bright. Usage from bottom core robo-use on a data store to fetch a safe location ID. Such locations are safe for robot traversal. These data stores have RoboScan code 11. Jacob. So yeah, RoboScan scans the tile front, returns the value, and now we have value 11 is the location data store. Sure. And then RoboUse also lets us, well, it can also run on, not only on power switches, but also on location data stores, and returns a safe location ID. These are getting much more complicated for sure. Oh man. So there's no exit on this one. What is this code even doing? So I have two variables here, the data store scan, which is RoboScan, and then the variable in front one, which is forward location, returns location ID of the tile in front. And we move forward, and then we do exit location is RoboUse, and then in front to robot forward location, robo forward. I don't know. Let's just see what this does. Also, we need to decrease the speed so I can actually see what's going on. Well, so we get the exit location. So, wait. How is this exactly gonna help me? Do I just have to go everywhere until I go to the right location? I'm not sure. This is getting, yeah, complicated for sure. Much more complicated. Alright, so what does this do again? It saves the RoboScan result, which in this case is, I don't know, is it normal actually? I don't know what it is, but it returns that, and then it gives me what's in front of me, the location ID of that, and we move forward. And then we do RoboUse on this field, because this is a location data store. It gives us the exit location, which is 5806. And gives me another variable, which is in front of me. It's this tile right here, 3799, and then I move forward. But how do I know where I want to go? Like the part I don't really understand about how I'm supposed to solve this now is that, okay, so these are all basically the same, it's just the data store locations are in different spots, I guess. And I don't know what's different about this one. So the thing I'm questioning now is that, do I not have a good way of finding, like the IDs are random? Like the exit location is 5806 over here. And in front of me is 3799, and before that I had 1677, so it doesn't seem like they're like increment in the way that makes any sense or anything. So I just walk around randomly until I get to the exit. Like, what's the, how am I supposed to get to this spot? Because I can still only move forward or left. I can't say go to tile 7 or 8471. They also always change apparently, so they're just random numbers basically, but unique, I guess. I don't know, interesting, but weird. What happens if I do this? Wait, so I mean, this is just gonna be really slow and weird, but whatever. Let's just say, well, I don't know. Just get rid of this. So if we do there's just too many things. There are too many things now. So I do a robo scan, and then if I guess I have to save that. I don't know. Whatever. And then if var is but I don't always want to move forward. Like I want to loop this, obviously, so I want to write robust code from the get-go here. So if it is greater than 0, I want it to move forward. And then run, I guess if tile is $11, I want you to run robo use then. And save that somewhere, I guess. Can we just declare? Yeah, we can declare outside. Just go. We have to, right? Do I have to, can I just declare it without saving anything in? I don't know. I haven't tried that yet. And then this would be robo use, would be my exit tile, and then I would want to scan. But now, like, there's no, I don't know, basically. From here on out, I just don't know. Because basically what I would want to do is scan all my tiles around me to see if they are the exit, and if so, go there. And if not, keep turning, and then, but how do I know I'm, like, it's a bit weird to think about from a code point of view. And so what would this return? Minus 999? Unknown? And then I have to... I don't know. So if tile is... then run Save that. I don't know. Horrible random names, by the way. And then if the problem with this now is that how does the loop work again? Yeah, this is the problem that I was going to tell you about, is that we don't really, move. We scan. And actually, obviously, I don't want to wait. This is only going to exist once, right? Yeah, okay. And then what we want to do is... Wait, so why did we get stuck here? We loop, we scan, we move forward, we use... Right, but it returns -999. And if it is exit, then otherwise I'm going to turn... We're going to turn left. But we're going to go in a circle now. Kind of. Not really. Okay, so this works. It works pretty well, honestly. Could be better. Could also be worse, though. I think I'm pretty happy with this. Assuming it doesn't break here. I don't think it should, but we'll find out. Maybe some weird case where it breaks. There isn't. Alright. Another primer section recovered. Loops 2. The continue keyword can be used to restart a loop midway, while the break keyword can be used to exit the current loop. That's very useful. Breaking loops, always a good thing. And continue just goes back to the start of the loop, right? Yeah. I mean, you could just also in this case, you could just have like else break, and then it would just, wouldn't need to continue. But it's fine. It doesn't, whatever, it's good. I have more options, I guess. Pretty solid solution there too, judging by the histograms here. We're fine. I'm fine. Very fine. And there's one more lever here in this tower, and then I don't know where we move from there. It does look like we're going down, so we might be going underground, but I don't know. Gatehouse. No texts, nothing. I mean, last level code, and let's just let this run and see. Okay, so basically we're doing the same thing, but this time we're not looking for an exit on an unknown tile. We're looking for an unknown tile we can use to move on from. Why does this break? We do robo scan. Oh, right. Because it's not this, it's not that. So just keep scanning. Right, makes sense. It does make sense. Should this still work? I think it should, but I didn't really think it through. So it might break. Let's speed this up a little bit. It's obviously not fast, but I don't know how it could be much faster in terms of like the steps it has to go through. Because it has to be, yeah, you have to be facing the tile. Oh, and there's a button this time. Okay, so we also need this. Wait, with my mouse. There it is. So we need another case for this. We need if I think it was 10, right? I can't type. Was it 10? I really hope it was. We do... Nope. Come on. No autocomplete. But only if it is... How did that code work again? Only if it is off. I forgot how that worked. Robo use power switch returns 1 on, 0 off. I wish I could just scan and then turn it on or off, which is, I don't know. But I don't think you can scan the state of a power switch. Although let me actually look up if it was 10. Yes, 10 is the power switch, okay. So power switch and then we do robo use. I guess we just do if robo uses. Always variable names make no sense now because it's not an exit anymore, but I don't care. It's a long, 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 long way. Oh, this is mean. Okay, so the issue here is that there's two data storage things, and they both return different tiles, but we're always gonna, like, now this is the exit, we're gonna step here, and then this is gonna be the exit. Or was it? No, it was this one, it doesn't matter though. We're always overriding and then moving the other direction and changing it again, which is not good. How are you gonna work for this special weird case? I don't know. I guess we could just ignore it. You could just say if tiles 11 and then but yeah, no, we can't actually do that because there's 1 1. I was just gonna say if exit is 0, do robo use, and otherwise don't do it. But we need more than 1 for, like, yeah, all of these. I guess we have to reset it, sure. And then it once, if this is that, I move forward and I do exit is 0. But is this better? Didn't know the indentations were that important, but they are. I mean, it makes sense that they are, but... There we go. Jonathan, the surface searchers have found nothing. I have a plan. We'll need to divert reserve power for full geological survey. Alice. And that's the response to Doc. All our teams are rather back now. Bug has covered a 100-kilometer radius around the landing site, just as we feared. Ice plains, high winds, no signs of life. Reminds me of a Minecraft being a spawn point in an ice plains. Temperature constant and uncomfortable. Heading back now. I'm sorry. Jacob, search Team Alpha. That's not a good design for them. Consider this use of loop that turns left 5 times. Loop count is 1. If loop counts greater 5, break. Yeah. We know, it's basically like a 4 loop. Just not very elegantly executed or implemented. Well, any kind of looping with... Yeah, no, I read it right. While any kind of looping logic can be written with loop, keywords for, and while also with requires the for. And can help create simple code that achieves the same result. Yeah, while it's... Yeah, and we count up and then it stops... or we do the for loop count in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I need to... Well... Oh yeah, this is actually pretty elegant, I like it. I mean, as long as you don't have to do like a million steps and have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 through the million there, it's fine. Actually, yeah, I mean, we just, yeah, would have a greater than or whatever, it's fine. Robot location returns the ID of the current tile the robot is standing on. Oh, we only had forward location yet, so okay. So we have that too now. We can check where we are right now versus what is in front of us. And into the under, so I guess we are going underground. I just unlocked an achievement. Yeah, again, we're like right there with the good solutions. Not the very best solutions. But, you know, that's fine. That's just fine. I wonder for time you could probably like hard code it. But you would still have to, yeah, because you're only writing one piece of code for 3 levers, you'd have to have some sort of thing determining which lever you're in, but I don't know. I guess the locations of the data storage things are always the same, so you could probably base it on that or something. Okay, we unlocked a bunch more levers, and we've received communication as well. Ice salvage report number 6. Finally some good news. From the looks of your scan, it's a subterranean entrance. They went underground. I don't think I've ever heard of this before. It means that the colonists weren't all frozen to death, carried off into the sky by those icy winds. Rare metals, transmitters, even the people themselves could still be down there. Can't wait to tell Nigel. Ooh, maybe it's an Iris thing, or even a Martin thing. You find something juicy and I could be launching on Titan with Big M before the end of the fiscal year. Go team! Yeah, sounds like I'm doing all the work and Judith is launching on Titan. Well, you know, whatever, it's fine. Sometimes I envy you. Wow, it's, you know, sure. Sometimes I envy you, you know, out there, thousands of miles from home with no distractions from family, friends, or leisure activities, completely alone with your thoughts. Many would kill for the kind of inner peace I imagine you experience. I don't know, like coding and inner peace, to me at least, they don't really go hand in hand. It's more of the opposite, to be honest. Keep up the adequate work. Wow, so rude. And don't accept any attitude from that robot. But I have to accept it from you, Judith, I guess. So rude. Do we have time? We have time to look at one of these two. Left or right? Left or right? Left. Just, why not? Okay, this looks weird. I mean, this is just walking, though. It shouldn't be too hard. Same with this. And this. And this. So what's the catch? I don't know. Move forward. Move forward. move forward, and then we have to turn left. Move forward. Wait. Move forward, turn left. Move forward, turn left. I'm just trying to figure this out. The triangles are making this so weird to think about. Like, just the moving is so weird. I don't know, this is a weird one. Actually, yeah, we definitely want a loop of some kind, so let's just do this for now. Move forward, and then if RoboScan is I guess actually, yeah. Nope, I tried to autocomplete. I failed. No. It's not good, but it does. Well, actually, yeah, it's not very good at all. Because what if the exit is to the left? Which is the case for. Well, not all of them, but some of them. Yeah, the triangles just make everything really awkward. Wait, how did I move there on the second one? Yeah, I do go in here and then I go back. Do exits have like a... No, they don't, right? Oh, they do. But it would be so slow. Because I'd have to turn... Like I'm facing one, scan it, turn left, scan it, turn left, scan it. And if there's no exit, I keep going. That's not elegant at all. I'm trying to think of a good way of doing this. I'm pretty sure I could make a bad solution happen pretty quickly here, but I don't want that. I want something nice, something clean-ish, at least. So what do we do with the X's on the left? Yeah, it's actually weird to think about. I don't know why, but it is. Because, like, if you do it... If you scan, if you always turn left and look what's there, just in case it is an exit. I mean, the triangle has 3 sides. I know. Mother revelation. So one side is the one we came from. We don't need to scan there because there is not an exit there. One side is the side to the right of that. That's the one we're always facing. Then there's one more to the left. So if I would scan, I would have to turn left and scan. And then if that is a tile, I would want to go there. And if it's not, Yeah, but like, yeah, okay, so this would be, yeah. I'm going the other way now. But I'm still not gonna go inside, because this is on the right side now, and I'm never gonna get there. Like, it's the same issue. So do I always have to check both sides? I guess I do. I'm trying, like, logic-wise, can I prevent that somehow? But I don't think I can. Yeah, this is solving all of them except for the second one, right? Actually, is it solving this? No, it won't, right? Okay, so I move. And then if I turn left once, that's always a tile I haven't looked at yet. But then I would have to, if I could turn right, why I can't? So I turn left and I look at what's to my left. And then if it is a tile, I go there, and if not, I turn left. Wait, this is weird because at the start... What am I doing at the start here? I turn left. I scan. It's not a tile. So I turn left. But then I just turn left again immediately. Because I'm in the loop, back in the loop. Yeah, that makes sense. I scan, there's a tile, so I go forward. I turn left. I scan. It's a tile, so I go. And I turn left again. I think I just have to look at both sides always, right? I can't think of a better way, and I hate this way. I mean, we can also do if... We should probably make a variable for this so we don't have to run it so often. So we just scan. No. If it's 2, it's an X we want to go. But if it's not, what do we want to do then? But we can't just keep turning. At some point we have to step. This is... Why is this weird? Why is this so hard to think about for me? I hate this. Because now we're not stepping ever. Oh, this is... Yeah, I keep doing this and I won't stop ever. I don't know, I mean, you can do... I don't know how to make the logic for that happen. I hate it. Because if I look at... So I look at the one in front of me. If that's the exit, go there. That makes sense. If it's not the exit, it's just a normal tile, or it's unknown, or it's nothing. There's either 1 or -999, or I don't know what the last thing was. -1? -1. So we either get 1, 2, -1, or -999. And if it's -999 or -1, I want to keep turning. But if it's 1, and I've already looked at the other one, and the other one is not an exit, then I want to go there. And otherwise I want to go back and go there. Right? So right now I'm looking what's in front of me. If it's nothing, I turn left. If it's not nothing, if it is 2, go there right away. If it is 1, I can't type Lord. If it is 1, turn left. I'll end up going in a circle, yeah, I can already tell. And then I will have to scan again. This is silly. I don't know what I'm doing here. What is this doing now? I've lost track of what I was trying to do. Yeah, I'm going in a circle now, as I predicted. Because I'll never go to this one, I always check this one and then go there. Is this gonna work? I think it is. But it's very, very slow and very, very silly. I don't like it. But I don't know how else to do it. Actually, I don't know if it will work here. Because I don't know if it'll go in there. No, I won't. So if it is greater than 0, then move forward. And I'm going in the circle again. How do I prevent this? Because the thing is, I just want to go to every tile, and I don't know how to do that. Because I come from here and then here. I'm turning right, so I'm here. And then there's a tile here, I turn left, there's nothing here, so I turn left, left, and go. Be right, I go here. Or look at this, I look at this. Then I would go here. This is so hard to think about with a triangle, because I hate it. I feel like a triangle is the one thing that it's really killing me here. So how do I do this? This would work if it weren't for that last lever, or last part of the lever. Because it's just looking to the left, and if there's an exit there, it goes there. Actually, I'm surprised it works there. But it's never gonna go, the robo's never gonna go in here, because forward, okay. And we veered right. We scan, there's a tile. It's not 2. So we turn left. It's not 2, so we don't go forward, so we go where we were going originally. We turn left, there's nothing. It's not 2, there's 1. I turn left, there's nothing there, so I go back down here. But then I'm just never gonna go. I'm going out here, I'm going here, looking, there was nothing there, there's a tile here, I turn left. Is there an exit here? No, so I turn left and left and go. But the thing is, if I go for every tile, I'm gonna go in a circle. How do I not go in circle? Why is this so weird to think about? Can I like... What if I go... Alright, I had to cut away there. But I'm back. I still don't really have a solution though, but I think I know what I need to do now. This episode is probably long, I don't know. Depends on how much I actually cut off there at the end. Because it did go on for a little bit, me trying to figure out how to go both left and right on the ring. I just don't think you can do it. Or I can't do it, I guess, at least. That's certainly true. So if you have something like this, and this is, well, whatever, it works, it does its job. This version works on the outside ones. Like this one. This one and the first one. 1 and 3. However, it doesn't work on 2 and 4. And if we do this at the start, then I go inside but not outside. So it would work on 2 and 4 but not on 1 and 3. And what that tells me is that I just need to do both. But not at the same time, but subsequently. I think that's the only way. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a count variable. I hate this code already. It's ugly. It is very, very ugly, but you know. Can I do anything like this? I assume I can't. Let's just see. Oh, this is the wrong version of this. We need this one. No, wait, which one? This one. Oh, look at right, yeah. So how high does the count need to go in order for us to reach this on the right side? 47. Okay, so if count greater than 47, let's do 48 just to be safe. We want to turn left. Or something. I haven't really thought this through. This is not really gonna work now, is it? We're gonna go all the way around here until we hit 47. And then on 48. Yeah, I'm running in circles then. That's not really good. So how do we not go in a circle? Because if I reset count after turning left once, that's not enough, right? I'm not gonna go back. Like, my goal is to go the other way, clockwise. Oh yes, it does work, okay. So that should be good then. I hope. It is good. And that's that done. Alright, let's quickly read this and then end this episode. Which I don't know how long it is, but not. Well, I don't care, basically. Alice, I just got back from fabrication. If I'd known we were going to mass produce these robots, I'd have left off the bells and whistles. 11 more today, though. How are you? Your legion of farmer code is coming along. Enjoying teaching yet? Can you believe that our robot, our little project from the voyage over here, is going to save the colony? Mushrooms again tonight. I've got a feeling about this batch. I'll wash them properly this time. The neuroparalysis was horrific. It does sound horrific. Till tonight, check. P.S. Did you get anywhere with the probe design? We'll see. Well, that's a pretty good solution. Even though that is way blown up by some really, really awful solutions, I feel. Well, maybe not this one. This one looks kind of fine distribution-wise, but these ones, run size and time, don't really look that good. I think because of these, like we're at 236k, and this is 65,700k. That's a lot. That is a long time for a solution. But it might be one that is very small. It might be why that exists. I do not know. I also do not care about optimizations at this point. I'm just here to solve levers. And that's all I'm gonna do for now. I hope you've enjoyed this, and I'll see you next episode when we tackle this lever called question mark. I always forget that it doesn't tell me. Anyway, bye bye.